Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here again for String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have this Gibson Blackhawk that came up from Wyoming. That's getting a compensated nut. We're going to walk you through that and get this all done up for Eric and ship it back to him. I always like these guitars. For my customers from the States, because contact me well ahead of time, because I'll actually send you the paperwork, send you the invoice, all the HS codes, so that when it comes to the border, it just zips right through lickety-split. I need to say, I do not stockpile repairs. I take a few, finish what's on my plate, and then move on. Somewhere from 2 to 5 weeks lead-in time, just depending on what I have on the bench. I've got these 3 neck surgery jigs packed up and ready to ship. To all 3 of you guys, I use these as a fret guard. You see them in all the videos. Anyway, there's 6 of those. Cut one out for a Telly, a Les Paul, a 335, a Dreadnought. These are permanent, reusable fret guards. So all packed up and ready to go. One to Naperville, Illinois, for Derek at Big D Guitars. Another one to John Matt in Edmonton, Alberta, and J&J Louisville Music Shop in Prospect, Kentucky. The reason these things are so popular is you do one job, they're paid for. 20 years later, you're still using them. Cheers.